this is the Lego table that you can put in the truck. And this is how to build it. Start off with a long piece. Then start off with a 6 piece. Put it right here. Then you put a 4 piece. Then you put a 3 piece there, and a 2 piece. Actually, put a 2 by 2, 1 by 1, and then we just have the bricks here. So now what we need to do is put a 1 by 1, and then start off with a 4 piece, and then put these little clips onto like this. You can see there is. Okay. Put another one of those clips, and then put 1 by 1 flat tile. No, not flat tile. Put a black one, and then with a smooth green. That's gonna be for, I'll tell you later. And then start off with a piece that has hook and a piece like this. And put it here. Then we have our handle for the hot chocolate machine. Then it can open up. Then, starting off with a clear piece, put it there. And then put the lid on. That's the most coolest part. Yeah. Then starting off with a 1 by 1 brick, another 1 by 1 brick, and another 1 by 1 brick. Then it looks great there. Okay. Now we put the cash register, and then we put our cash register here, a cup, put it there so you can buy stuff. And then our little barbecue using a clear piece that's a 1 by 1 and a grill, and put it on top of each other. And then starting off with 1 by 1, another 1 by 1, and another 1 by 1. Then it looks great. Starting off with a 4 brick. Put it there. Then we put, so first we start off with a 1 by 1 brick, another 1 by 1 brick, and then put this knob piece. You can call it whatever you want, but I call it a knob piece. And put a wall element, and then a little spigot. There we have our table. That's done.
So what kind of table is it? What is it for?
It's for like a fair, and you can put it in a truck.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Can you show us all the features of this table? What's that do?
That pours the hot chocolate. Watch this. Put cup in there. See? Close it up, and then only takes 1 minute. Then you take it out.
Very cool.
Well, the opening part when you close it, it's a little bit hard because it drops a lot. There we have it.
And then what else you have in the middle? You have, what's those things in the middle?
That's the barbecue cup and cash register
Okay.
and sink.
Oh, wow.
Hot chocolate machine. There we have it.
Very cool.
Click to subscribe.